Hey guys, what's good? I'm popping. It's Kandice, Sara here, and welcome back to my channel. If you're an old subscriber, thank you for coming back, and if you're a new subscriber, hi, hello, thank you for joining my family. Now, before I get into this video of how I got this look, cute bad, I just want to point out a few things. Thank you guys for getting me to 300 subscribers. 300 subscribers. Thank you guys. It's my 2-month anniversary. It should be around my 2-month anniversary of joining YouTube, so I'm glad to have reached that goal right now. It might be a little bit too but it's very much enough to me. And secondly, I want to point out that my nails, some of you guys might know, these are some press-on nails by KRISTHENAILIST. Her name will be right here. She has a YouTube and also has a nail page, so you guys can go check her out. Her nails launched on July 1st, and you guys can tell what day today is, so you guys should go and get your press-on nails. If you're a person like me, as I mentioned before, I'm a dental student, so I'm not allowed to wear nails, so you guys can just go check her out. Them easy for just put on and take off. Well, them don't easy for, but look how them dirty with the makeup and cheese on peas. Guys, I'm sorry, this is a bad representation. That's why I must go upon our channel and our Instagram and go look for yourself. Yes, so once you have them on, they can last up to 2 to 4 weeks depending on how you cure them, how you apply them. Right now, I only applied small amounts of glue because I want to be able to take them off because school for me starts next week. So yeah, but them last the whole video, they're nice, and them I got be a healthy take off right now. But yes, I hope you guys do enjoy this video. Please leave all your comments on anything down below. I'd like to interact with you guys, and just enjoy the video. Bye guys.
Put you on them not disturbing entertaining suits. Never have a clue. Even if I die, everything that belongs to you. I'll call it Brian. I'ma face I'm Ryan. Lorenzo, and I'ma leave you crying. When you see me up on your face when I drop these clothes and I get naked. Not for you, but for him. I'll tell me play out. Does it make you feel?
Alright guys, this is the final look for you guys. I did enjoy doing this carnival look for you guys, and even though carnival is far along, as I might as well get in the spirit from now. Remember to check out KRISTHENAILIST for your nails. I know you guys recognize them looking all nice and stuff while I was doing my makeup. And before I go, although this video is supposed to be just a makeup video, I want to sing something for you guys to just help you guys during this quarantine time. Hope it come up good. Know that you are good enough. Please don't give up when things get tough. I know, I know, I know, I know. Guys, please remember to like this video, comment anything or any other look, any other video you guys would like me to do, and subscribe to my nice clean skin channel. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye guys.